signers! Are you ready to quiz your ASL skills? Of course you are! Get out a pencil and paper and let's learn how to sign. Now, before you get started, you might be wondering, what exactly am I being quizzed on? These are phrases you will most likely see in everyday conversations. Think about asking for somebody's name or asking how somebody is. Now, are you ready for the quiz? I'm going to give you 5 phrases. Now let's get started. Now, let's check your answers. Number 1, what is your friend's name? Number 2, I'm hungry. Are you? Number 3, no, I don't understand. Again, please. Number 4, what's your daughter's age? Number 5, yes, I'm busy. What about you? If you love challenging yourself, don't forget about our intensives offered throughout the year. We have quizzes offered with each lesson to test your understanding. Go to learnhowtosign.com for more info. And until next time, keep learning how to sign.